Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows Update KB5060533 fails to install in Windows 10 computer. So this update was rolled out to fix security holes and bolsters the reliability of Windows 10. The issue can arise with generic error codes or with such notices as some updates were not installed without specifying any reason. In cause for this issue, update failed because of the corrupted system files and broken Windows Update components. And then I'll show you how to fix it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu. And then here we need to type this troubleshoot settings. And then you need to click this open. And then once you open up here at troubleshoot settings, on right side, and then you need now to select this additional troubleshooters, and then you need to click. And then here at left side navigation pane, you can see this additional troubleshooters. And then you need now to select this Windows Update, and then you need to tap. And then you can see this run the troubleshooters, and then click. And then pop up this Windows Update detecting problems. So here we need to wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. And then troubleshooting has completed. And the next step, then also you can view detailed information about this issue. And then you need now to follow the screen instructions and the step-by-step method here to fix this problem. And then you need to tap this next. Alright, so after here, and then the next solutions that we're going to do is to temporarily disable security app and firewall. So all you have to do is to select again on search menu. And then you need to type this control panel. And then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at control panel, and then we need to modify this view by settings. Click this arrow and select large icons to see all settings. And the next step, then you need to find and locate this Windows Defender Firewall, and then you need to click. And then once you open up here at Windows Defender Firewall, at left side navigation pane, and then you need now to select or click this Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and then click. Once you open up here at Customize Settings for each type of networks, so all you have to do here at Private Network Settings, then we need to select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, and then select the circle icon. Same with Public Network Settings. So we need also to turn off Windows Defender Firewall. So click this icon settings. And the next step, then you need to click this OK. Alright, so once you're done here at Customize Settings, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to ensure necessary services are set to automatic. So all you have to do is to click on search menu again. And then you need to type this services. And then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at services and services local, and on right side, and then but before to proceed, then those services we need to check if it is already running, then select restart. But if the service is not running, then modify properties settings. And the next step, then we need to find and locate this background intelligent transfer service. So select and then right click, and then check if this service is already running or not. So since this service is not running, so all you have to do is to click this properties. And then here at general properties, startup type, then we need to modify, click automatic. And then here at service status, and then you need to tap this start and wait to complete the start process. And after that, click apply and then click OK. And the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this Cryptographic Service. So same procedure, select and then right click, and then check if this service is already running or not. So since this service is already running, so all you have to do is to select only restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and the last services that we need to modify is to find and locate this Windows Update services. So you need to scroll down and then find this Windows Update service. Same procedure, select and then right click. and then check if this service is already running or not. So since this service is already running, so all you have to do is to select only restart and wait to complete the restart process. Alright, so after here at services, and then we need to close, and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.